How to fix the Last Caretaker crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to your library and right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking. Once it's done, you want to go back to the general tab and add the following command to launch options, which is -dx11. Now you can close out of this window and close Steam. Next, you will need to update your GPU drivers. So if you have NVIDIA GPU, you will need NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers section and then select Game Ready driver and download and install the latest version. You can also try to hit the reinstall button for manual reinstall if you have the latest one already. And then you can close this and open up a new tab in your browser and search for Redist and click on the first Microsoft link. Scroll down to the second table and make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 versions of the redistributables, both of them. And once you're done, you can basically restart your system. And after restart, before launching the game again, you should run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can launch the caretaker again, and it should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.